Gonna take the cover off. There's a carburetor. That's a big HL 141B Tillotson carburetor. I'm going to take off the little cover here so I can spray some penetrating oil to get it started. It kind of works as a quick start. So I got that little cover off here, the carb, so it'll be easier to spray into it. So there it is. Might need a carb kit, a few other things done to it. Overall, it's in pretty good shape actually. The teeth on the chain are still very good. There's still a lot of use left in there. The blade looks pretty good. The underneath doesn't look too bad. There's the sprocket. Even that's in good shape. The muffler, everything, the clutch cover is good. It was in storage for a long time. So anyways, if anybody's interested in it, just let me know. So again, it's a model Homelite C9 Chainsaw, serial number 1398368. And you can see the model number here, C9.